So today's the day we are getting the coilovers installed in the car. First, we're going to start with the rears, since you guys saw that, you know, it was a little weird, whatever. But I'm going to try to figure it out. And first of all, we're just going to jack up the car and take the wheel off. So I'm going to take you guys through the process and how it is. Well guys, now the wheel is off. This spring goes in place of the other one with the cup that's down here. You gotta take this bolt off, so pretty much hold, you know, this one, take that one off. Then you gotta, let me see right here. You got two right here, you got one here, and another one on the other side. And that's pretty much it for this right here. Then you have to take this one off. So let's get that done. Right now we're taking this bolt off, so I have a jack holding this because that will come out flying or just somewhere else. It has so much pressure. But yeah, so I already broke the bolt, and now we're gonna use this baby to take it off. It just pops in right here, and this right here goes in there. Alright guys, so camera's in the way. I gotta turn this off real quick and try to get it on. It's just pretty much this bolt pushing it in, but I need the jack to push this up so it can align. Well guys, I'm having some trouble getting the last bolt up there. It's just spinning in place. It's not stripped. It turns, but I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna jump to the next side. Once again, these bolts here to take the spring off, and then this. I'm trying to take this off first. Yeah, I don't want to repeat. I'm gonna touch base on the back one in a bit, because yeah, you're gonna want to know. So we're starting the top, or the front ones. So you gotta loosen these three, and then when you come down here, you gotta take this one off, take this, and this off. Make sure to disconnect your brake lines as well. Take this off, and yeah, then we pull it off. Hey guys, right here. Car is inside. Coilovers right there. And that's what couldn't come off. That's what gave me the headache. Check this out. They got a nice 350 back there, so. But, trying to give a shout out to Low Life Projects here. Telling you, these guys are a miracle of God. Everybody told me no, that you can't take the suspension off, that you gotta weld or something in the car, make a hole and then weld it back on to get it off. But they're doing it. So yeah, since I work and I don't have that much time, you know, I had to bring them so they can do the coilovers. It'll be quick, whatever, I'll pay for it, you know. At least I tried. So at least I tried to do it, so I had to pay for to get them on, but it's all right. But check out Low Life Project. They're located in Orlando, Florida. So if you're around Orlando, just come here, you know, check them out, and they'll get you ready. They got tires, they can do like mechanic stuff, whatever. I wish I could be in there trying to record, but you know, I can't go in there, you know, safety rules. So we're gonna be good, and just wait for what's next, guys. Next video, you'll see. Well guys, finished product. Beautiful day we're having today. Good morning. But That's how she sits. Very, very, I mean, almost touching. Look how close everything is to the ground. We need something to get this gap gone. Check this out. Ooh. Now this is clean. That color though. That gave me a good idea. And then there's me. You guys want to know? Follow him. This car is pushing power for maybe 400 range. Look at that.